What's up guys? So today I'm just going to make a quick video on how to remove the lens on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now the reason I'm making this video is I bought this waterproof case for GoPro and it's for the Hero 7 Black edition along with I believe it was the 5 and 6. So as you guys can see, when I put this in and try to close it, it does not fit. And originally I was really confused. I didn't know why, and I was dropping more F-bombs than a trucker. So then, being the genius that I am, I finally then decided to look at the user guide for the super suit case that I just bought, right here. Now when you open the user guide, literally on the first page you open, it literally shows the images and it shows that you have to take the lens and remove it from your GoPro in order to fit it inside the super suit case. So now going back to my GoPro 7. Now let's see. So now removing the lens, it, to me at least, felt like I was literally going to break it because it's on pretty tight. So what you're supposed to do is pull out, so it's going to pull this way, and then turn it left. But when I first did it, it was really stuck on there, and even now, like as you guys can see, I'm struggling right now. So you can either get something to go in between the cracks and pull it, or you can use your nails. So you want to pull it out, and see, even this is going to be hard for me. Pull it out, and then turn to the left, and then it pops off. And now, I'll just show you guys, if you guys have the super suit as well, just to prove to you that it does fit. Here you go, put it in there, close this puppy up, put it on there. Hook it on there, and voila, it fits. So that's how you remove the lens off your GoPro 7. It is a bit of a pain and it does feel like it's gonna break off, but if it didn't break off for me, it shouldn't break off for you. So you should be fine, and worst comes to worst, if it does break off, don't blame me, blame GoPro. This is just a quick tip from me, hope it helps. I am Omar from All Rated, catch you guys later. Peace.